Okay, so this is where we've got to, just the final bit of mechanics chapter 11. So just before I go over the single example that we've got, this example 8, which is very straightforward, I just wanted to set the scene of the lessons coming up, because we've got quite a few lessons in a row almost, so it'd be quite nice just to finish off mechanics. So my thoughts are that following today's very quick chat, you will do exercise 11E, please. And then on Friday, we've got a lesson on Friday. Just pick and choose questions from the mixed exercise, just to sort of just finish things off, please. So, I mean, I don't expect you to do all of the questions. It's just one lesson's worth of honing in on the ones you think you look most interesting, please. And then on Tuesday's lesson, so that's Tuesday the 19th, I'd like you to do the chapter 11 test, which is the unit 9 test, please. And that's already waiting for you under assignments. Now, Alex, you've already done that, which was excellent, and you did extremely well in it, so well done. Just looking at the various assignments in maths, Alex, I think you owe Mr. Kent a couple still, so maybe it would be a good opportunity of these lessons here just for you to get up to date with your stats, really. And I appreciate you've gone and started pure with Mr. Kent, which is great. So the second this lesson sequence of 3 is out the way, I'll move over and start doing pure as well, and just pick another unit. So that's the plan. Okay, so today 11E, Friday bits and pieces of the mixed exercise, and Tuesday everyone bar Alex to do the unit test, please. So all we've got left to do is to really link integration with the fact that it ties in with SUVAT. So as you know, with SUVAT, we're always assuming constant acceleration. So here, they're just, this bit is just linking the SUVAT equations with integration. So all we're saying here is that a particle is moving in a straight line with a constant acceleration a, given that its initial velocity is u and its initial displacement is 0. Prove these two formulae. So let's kick it off. So we know that to get velocity, we integrate acceleration with respect to time. So our acceleration is a. So when we integrate a constant a with respect to time, we get at plus c. Now they go and tell us when t is 0 that v equals u. So therefore we can see that u must equal c just by substituting in. So that goes and proves that v equals u plus at, which is of course our first SUVAT equation. And then when we go and integrate velocity, we get displacement. Remember, going the other way, when we differentiate displacement, we get velocity. When we differentiate velocity, we get acceleration. So this is just going the other way. You integrate acceleration to get velocity. You integrate velocity to get displacement. So here we go for part B. We're just integrating velocity. We've just worked out our velocity equation. So let's integrate this with respect to t. So our constant u becomes ut. And then we'll move on to the second term. We add 1 to the power, divide by the new power. So that gives us our half at squared. And then we've got plus c being our unknown constant. But we're told that when time is 0, displacement is 0. So substituting in, that gives us c being equal to 0. So therefore s equals ut plus half at squared, which, as you know, is another of our SUVAT equations. So that's really just proving the two SUVAT equations from first principles by integrating, where you've got a constant acceleration of a. And that's it. I think that just leads us straight into exercise 11E. So where we're just really just integrating a bit. All the answers are on the PDF that you've already had. I don't think there are any tricks here, anything too challenging from memory. Maybe it gets a little bit more interesting earlier on. So if you're not planning on doing all the questions, I would make sure you get 5 and 6 done. And that's it, folks. So just to summarized, and particularly if some of you just joined the meeting late, that's the plan. So today I would like you to do 11E, Friday the mixed exercise, and Tuesday the unit test. So I've popped all that information into your instructions on Show My Homework, and I will remind you by posting on Teams when those lessons are going on. I will remind you that there's no live lessons then. But as always, obviously, if you're getting stuck just on any of the questions, just send me a message on posts and I will upload a video to try and help you out. So that's it, guys. So thanks all of you for joining, and we'll speak soon. Okay, cheers, guys.
Thank you.
Bye.